Hello there, how are you all? Today we are going to understand this quadratic formula. So the formula is x is equal to negative b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. How you will get the values of a, b and c? For that you will have to compare this equation with standard quadratic equation, that is ax square plus of bx plus of c equal to 0. Now see, at the place of a we have 3, so a will become 3. B is negative 4 and similarly C is 1. Now we are going to put the values in this formula. So negative of value of B, that is already negative 4 here, plus minus square root of negative 4 whole square, negative 4 times A, which is 3 times B, that is 1, over 2 times A, that is 3 again. So in the denominator you will get 6. Here negative of negative 4 will become positive 4, plus minus square root of B square, negative 4 square will become 16. Negative 4 times 3 times 1 is 12. Now further you have 4 plus minus square root of 4 over 6. Here you will get 4 plus minus 2. That's why we keep the plus minus, because see, square root of 4 can be negative 2 square as well as positive 2 square both. So now here when you will solve this, 4 plus 2 is 6 over 6. So you will get x is equal to 1. 4 minus 2, that is going to be 2 over 6. So that's why the second value you will obtain is 1 over 3. That's it.